Good morning, I'm Natasha Soderberg. I'm Associate Head here at Butler Montessori. What is a day in the life of an elementary student? They arrive here in the morning in carpool, and they go in just like in the primary and get settled, hang up their things, and dive right into the 3-hour work period. The 3-hour work period is something we protect in the Montessori world because it means children have an opportunity to really dive deeply into their work. They can explore, they can build big projects. They love to do that in the elementary. They can do research. They don't have to abandon something when a bell rings. They can stay there with it all day. The elementary children, just like in the primary, can have snack at any time, a little social opportunity with their friends. And then they go out for recess, usually around lunchtime. And sometimes they'll do exactly as the primary do. They go for a hike. Maybe they'll go up to the soccer field and play a game. Maybe they'll go in the creek and search for salamanders. And then they come back in and they have a 2-hour work period in the afternoon. So just like the primaries, they have another opportunity to pick up the work and keep going with it. And they just put their name on the work and they, can keep going. In the elementary, something special that they receive are specials. So we have Senor Castillo, who teaches Spanish to our elementary students. We have Ms. Madalena, who is our music director. And we have really wonderful art specialists as well who work with the students. And those are in the afternoons. So sometimes during the week they get a little break and they get these very special things that they get to do. And then at 3:15 they go home to you.